Hey guys, this is Huzaifa from YouTube channel Positive Academy. Today's talk is all about money. Now, money is a form of energy. Money is a tool. Money is a currency. So it is like when you are not having money, you are not having energy. So when you don't have energy, you can't live without it, right? So it is so much essential to have money. And money is very much important in one's life, right? From the time you are born till the time you die, you require money. Even your breath with you can't take without money. That is the power of money, and that is how the money is so much important. But after the solar eclipse, right now is the crucial time to just make you aware and conscious that right now you are actually finding difficulties with the help of money. In terms of money, right, there will be like problems with money you might experience because the time is right now like that, right? So we must consider many things when it comes to money. I have seen like the people living in huge bungalow, huge mansions, luxurious hotels, luxurious palaces, but still they are not joyous. They are not happy. They are not content. They just find difficult to even sleep. And I also seen those people who live in village, who don't have any kind of facility, who live in a hut, but still they are so much joyful. They find contentment. They find peace. They find happiness, even if they are not making a lot of money. So what it is about, right? It is about being grateful right now what you are having, being grateful for it. And when you are grateful, then your life will change. You will be more abundant. So today's talk is all about money. Like a lot of people also think like if you're rich, then you are evil. It's not like that. Money is energy, right? And so some people just deserve because they are having that mentality and they are born with certain things. That's why they are rich, right? And there is also one statement which I would like to quote. If you are born poor, then it's not your problem. But when you die poor, then it's definitely your problem. So the main thing is the money management, the money as a tool. And right now, if you're finding the difficulties or problems with money, I can understand because right now, after solar eclipse, a lot of things has just changed and you might find difficulties with your money. And I have made a lot of videos regarding how you can manifest and how you can attract abundance into your life and attract money into your life. So today talk, we need to learn about more about money, how you can make money online and how just money can just serve you. Right, so let us just dive deep. If you're new to this channel, consider subscribing for regular dose of positivity. So I'm sharing this stuff, right? And this video might not be a long, so don't worry. Just take a sip of water or coffee, or just in a relaxed mode, and just take a time to understand this thing. So there is a money everywhere, and most people stop thinking about the simplicity of it. So money is everywhere, right? But you just need to be aware and conscious that how you can just channel it and how you can convert because energy cannot be created, cannot be destroyed, it can only transfer from one form to another. So you must seek that energy in any form and convert that energy into money. So the first statement is very much crucial for you to understand. We will first develop all the mindset regarding money and then we will dive deep how one can just make money online. And right now there are a lot of videos which will help you to have a make money online stuff, right? But we are not main, our main focus is not that. Our main focus is the mindset, how you understand the flow of money, the flow of energy. That is the thing. So first step and make a note of it, right? It is very much useful when you're seeking this money energy. They try to make things a lot harder than it needs to be. We have so much access to this money nowadays, especially if you have a phone and computer. So basically, they just wanted to make a statement that you can make money online and you can do a lot of stuff with the help of only phone and computer. And I'm not just talking about the content making strategy, but there are also a lot of other ways which you can just dive deep and convert. Right? You can see you if you are self-aware and if you are conscious, you yourself will be able to see where the money lies. You can just analyze, right? A lot of rich people or billionaires and millionaires how they started. Basically all of them just set up the businesses, and now you just need to analyze where the money lies, right? And that's the secret. Simply think about what your strengths are and forget about your weaknesses and excuses. Why you can't, and learn how to harness the idea of money. What people want. What people want is where the money lies. If you are running kind of business, and if you just think that I will be running the business on my what I want, right? And so now your business cannot grow because you are not knowing the market. You are not aware about what people want, right? Same goes with money. You must be aware that what is the requirement of the market, what is the supply and demand, and in that way, you can just make yourself capable and you can just convert that into a money stuff, right? So forget about your weakness, just focus on your strength and just convert that into a form of money. Now he has said those better than me and many times before, but sometimes we let small-minded people block our path because we love them. It's kind of, it's not like that you can't take any advice from an unknown person or the unexperienced person. Sometimes the unknown person or small person can also make a huge impact when it comes to money, right? So never neglect anyone, right? Never think that if he is better, then only he can just give the idea. No, right? Even a small idea can charge you, can make you a lot more richer as compared to what you are currently, right? So money is just a paper and fair exchange for something. What something you can give to the world that is so common, everyone needs it or desire it? Ask this question. When you ask this question, you yourself will be so much capable to convert anything into money. So this is the must thing. Make this statement very much important when you're considering making money. So money is just a paper and a form of currency. It is exchange for something. What something you can give to the world that is so common, everybody needs it or desire it. So podcasts are great if you are having something you can interest people in and let them to something you have that they want more of, something they will tell their best friend as well. So it's kind of making content only like podcasts. You are just creating a flow and making people aware what you know. And in that way, your podcast, if it is good, then they can share to others. And in that way, you are channeling your content in the form of money, in a form of you are converting your content into another form of energy, right? So it takes you position on this earth in a geographical way. What you lack in resources might be a false perception. So a lot of people complain when it comes to content that I'm not having this, I'm not having that, right? And I'm not in that country but it is all excuses. So you take position on this earth in a geographical way. What you lack in resources might be a so there is never lack in any kind of resources. I started with the basic equipment and I'm still continuing, and I will continue till my last breath because this is the thing I love, and this is the thing I just wanted to share my message all over the world, right? To inspire people not to ever give up in their life. So if you're struggling with the money, this video might be definitely helpful to change your mindset about money. If you think you're limited, you are going to be limited. So it is already discussed in one of the book, As a Man Thinketh by James Allen, and you can as already read the title, As a Man Thinketh. So whatever you think you become. So if you're thinking that you are limited, you are definitely going to be limited. So if you can somehow get your mind to rise above your geographical location and mentally see the world in a bigger picture, maybe a better idea or more simplistic design will come to you. This is the secret. Just don't limit yourself geographically that I'm residing here and this is my location and now I can't move beyond that, right? But you see the bigger picture, right? Think big. Now, think big is also thinking big and as well as considering big in the terms of books, individuals, and goals. These are three of the important parameters you must have in your life when you want to become successful. So thinking big is not just only thinking some kind of bigger picture, but in essence, it is also involving these three parameters, that is the books, individuals, and goals. So I hope you get a great idea regarding this, how you can channel yourself and how you can channel any energy into money making machine, right? So I like how Huzaifa starts from historical sense of money, right? So these are all the insights you can just get from the history. You are just talking about money, how money is made, and how how it is exchanged and how it is a form of energy, right? So every time you follow a big event in the history, you can eventually sniff out of money, and it shows that why something happened or the origin of why something happened. So it's a kind of, if you are into AI right now, and so now you know that this is the big event, right? And so this can be a power tool to change everything in this world. And so now this is the big opportunity if you want to make money online or if you want to make money, right? AI can be a power tool. So you need to take a big event in the history that has been happening. There is a power to change the world, right? Then it will be definitely a great thing, right? Like for example, when Amazon was there, right? Book was not a great thing, but Jeff Bezos appeared, and at the time, internet was just popping out. So he just created the book site, and now it's a history, right? So in that way, you can just think and you can just analyze the situation and make yourself capable to convert that energy into money. There are countless ways to make money, and right approach will depend on your skills, interests, resources, and available opportunities. Here are some common methods that people use to make money. So now I will be discussing the regular thing which you might have heard while making money online, but it will definitely help you at one point of another, right? So if you like this kind of content, and till now if you're staying and if you're enjoying this content, make sure you like, share, and subscribe, because every like and subscribe make gives us motivation to make this type of content. I will be making amazing content in the future. So employment, working for a company, so it is active income, right? I would definitely recommend that you have almost 4 to 5 sources of passive income. Now what is passive income? Passive income is a income that comes even if while you are sleeping, and while you're not doing anything, still the income is generated. So that is the power of passive income. So I will definitely recommend you to have at least 3 to 4 sources of passive income if you want to become stable in this world or in this society. So employment, right, working for a company or organization in exchange for salary or hourly wage is the most traditional way to earn money. You can look for job opportunities in your field, expertise, or interest. So it's active income. Freelancing, offering your skills and services to freelance basis can be lucrative. Whether you're a writer, designer, programmer, marketer, or have any other skill, there are platforms like Upwork, Freelancer, Fiverr where you can find the clients, right? Start a business. Like here, I will definitely recommend you to start a business and do not do the job, because in business you can multiply money, but in job you will never be able to multiply money. Business has its own power. Even if you start a small shop, then also it is a power to change your life as compared to doing some fixed salary job. So that is the power of business. If you're entrepreneur spirit, starting your own business can be a way to make money. You can sell products online and offer a service and create a digital product. I already created many digital products under my name. You can just go on to site amazon.in, and when you search my name Huzaifa, so you will find about 150 ebooks that I have just published. And now these ebooks were some of my experience and some of the things that I have learned in my journey. I've just converted that into an ebook. And now I've just created a digital product that that will keep selling throughout my life. So in that way, you can also do this kind of stuff. Investing in stocks, bond, real estate, or other asset can be potentially grow your wealth over time, because they are multiplying your wealth, multiplying your money. You always look for business opportunities where you can just multiply your money. But people always take the money for granted. They invest in the things which will never get any kind of return in their life. They invest into phones, they invest into lucrative lifestyle or maybe luxurious place to live. But this it is all kind of liabilities, right? It's not asset. You must always invest into asset, and when you invest into asset, that income that you are investing multiplies, right? So this is the important point. But before you do anything, it is important to research or consult with a financial advisor. Side hustle, many people just have side gigs or part-time jobs to supplement their income. This could include driving, riding, sharing, delivering food like Zomato, Swiggy, or riding, or pet sitting, participating in a gig economy, or many other ways. Monetizing a hobby, if you're having a hobby or passion, there might be opportunities to monetize it. For example, if you don't enjoy photography, you could sell your photos online and offer photography services. Right. So these are all simple stuff. I will not dive deep, but the main thing is here to understand how you can make money online, and the psychology and mindset behind money. Teaching or tutoring. If you are having expertise in particular subject, you could offer tutoring services to the students to teach class online. Content creation, the thing that I am doing, right? And remember that it is not like you make one content one time and now you think that you will get a success. It is a long journey, right? And you must have a never give up attitude. Then only you will be able to survive. And moreover, the things which you are teaching or the things which you are making as a content, you must know how you can make a lot of that content, not just a particular type, but in many different niche together. Right? In that way, you will be able to make consistent perseverance and long-lived content journey, which will never stop. And then you will be able to generate the income and monetize your skills through various opportunities, right? By creating and sharing content, this will include videos, live stream, podcasts, or written articles. Affiliate marketing by promoting the products or services and earning a commission for sales or leads generated through referrals you can make through affiliate marketing programs. You might be aware about Amazon affiliate and many other affiliates being run. In this video description, also you will be seeing some affiliate links. This is generally for helpful for the content and maybe to support our work, right? So if you want to buy, then you can just go for it. And also in the description, you will find the link to buy my books. So even if you're interested to buy my books or have a look at, you can just go through the link and you will be able to see all the digital products that I've just created online. Passive income is generating passive income such as through rental properties, royalties from book or music, or dividends from investment can provide a steady stream of income for minimum ongoing effort. So now, if you are having some kind of property and if you rent it, then you will be getting a passive income, and that is a really great source. I would definitely recommend you to have 3 to 4 sources of passive income, right, to live a sustainable and great life and make an impact in the society and make world a better place. So this is the importance and this gist of how to make money online, right? Consider this important. So ultimately, the key is to find the method or the combination of method that aligns with your skills, interests, and goals, and then to put the necessary effort and dedication to make it successful. Keep in the mind that making money often requires hard work, persistence, and sometimes taking calculated risks. So this is the gist of the entire talk. So I hope that this video definitely helps you and it changes the way you think about money. That I hope to leave you abundant, prosperous, and great life. Right. See you in the next video. Till then.